Ginger is rich in antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals in the body. Garlic has immune-boosting properties and may enhance the activity of immune cells. Miso is a source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone metabolism and calcium absorption. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports the immune system, helps with collagen synthesis, and contributes to overall skin health. Tahini is a good source of plant-based protein, making it a valuable addition to vegetarian and vegan diets. Protein is essential for muscle repair, immune function, and overall growth and development.